So I've laced up the left shoe and we're going for a cool, relaxed, loose lace look. Now I have used up all the lace that came with the shoes in the box. There's no lace that's gone behind the tongue, so let's get into it. I'm going to place this one over here so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. Now I have packed out the toe box already, and I am going to be packing out the shoes as well with a little bit more socks. But first of all, we're going to get to this slightly tighter area here. So just push the tongue out the way so you can get to those two holes. And we're going to be starting by taking the lace down through that outside first hole. So bring the lace a little way up into the shoe. And then when you take the lace across the front, just pull it between your finger and thumb just to iron out any creases. And then we're going to take the end of the lace down through the first hole on the inside of the shoe. And again, you only need to bring it a little way up into the shoe. And then to make sure that the laces are the same length on both sides, ends together and pull up, just like that. Now because we're going for a loose lace style, I'm going to ease off that bar that we've just made just a little bit. So it's like this one over here where you've got a little bit of lack of tension to it, a little bit of a relaxed lace. And we're going to take that outside lace, we're going to bring it across and down through that second hole on the inside of the shoe. And if you catch it on your finger, you can pull it out. I can just see mine slightly twisted. So I'm just going to turn it around, and as you pull it out and pull it down into the hole, it means you can get it nice and flat. And then we're going to take that inside lace, we're going to take it across and down through that second hole on the outside of the shoe. Again, catch it on your finger, allows you to flick it over and to make sure it comes down nice and flat. And then we're going to pad out the shoe as if your foot's sitting inside it. And that's going to help you to get some broad laces going across the shoe. And also you're going to get those laces ready to fit your feet for when you come to wear your shoes as well. So I'm just going to check the tension now on these. It's gone a little bit tight, so I'm just going to loosen it off now that I've got those socks in there. And we're going to carry on with that outside lace. I'm going to bring it across to the third hole on the inside. Just keep your lace nice and relaxed as you pull it down into the hole. You can see there's a little bit of movement to it. And then we're going to take the inside lace across to the third hole on the outside. The other reason for keeping it nice and relaxed, it means that you use up just enough lace so that when you get to the top of the shoe, you've got just enough to get that drop at the end. Then take that outside lace across to the fourth hole on the inside. And the inside lace to the fourth hole on the outside. And then I'm going to take that outside lace, I'm going to come through the hoop on the tongue to keep the tongue in place. So just draw it across and down through that next inside hole. Then take that inside lace, take that through the hoop. So sliding it over the lace that's already in there. Should have caught that on my finger and then it wouldn't have twisted like that. And then take that down through that outside hole. And then I'm just going to stop for a minute and just check that I've got that tension on my laces and they're all kind of crossing over the way I want them to, especially these two that come through the tongue. And then I'm going to take that outside lace, I'm going to come down through that next hole on the inside of the shoe. So the sixth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace and come down through the sixth hole on the outside. And at this point now, I'm just going to check that I've got enough lace that's going to take me to get those dangles. So I'm going to take that outside lace, I'm going to come out through the very top hole on the inside of the shoe. I'm just going to make sure I've got the same as I've got over here. And then I'm going to take the inside lace and take it across and out through that top hole, like that, and make sure that they match as well. Then bring your tongue up, push the sock down a little bit, and just check on the tension that you've got nice and loose, so you've got that great loose lace look for a cool, relaxed style. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your New Balance 9060 loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. And to catch all the latest tutorials, click that notification button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.